Hey guys, what's up? It's your friend Jordan Jazz. They say karma is a bee and greed can take you places you can't even really imagine. So today we are talking about Bad Boy Billionaires India, which is featured on Netflix, and I've watched it and I've completed it. It's a 3 episode web series which features the frauds of Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi, and Subrata Roy. Starting with Vijay Mallya, the owner of Kingfisher, also called the King of Good Times, or was called the King of Good Times. How Kingfisher Airlines got shut down, and all the controversies, loan were imposed on him, and he didn't paid his employee. This was the whole controversy case, which is taken into detail in his episode. Next we have Nirav Modi, the jewelry king, how he was taking so much loans from Punjab National Banks because of the letter of the undertaking, and how he was bribing the bank officials and taking loans from them. This was showcased in his story, and then how he did not pay the bank and fled to New York. And Vijay Mallya also, in order to get away, he flew to London. And the last story is of Subrata Roy, the Sahara chief, how he used chit funds, and chit funds he used by encouraging really poor people to invest in his chit fund schemes, which were not very shady and were not clear. So poor people used to invest in his schemes and deposited their funds, and Subrata ji made a good empire out of it, a real estate and Sahara grew a pioneer in that field. So in his episode, which is the last episode, his story is taking into consideration. The best thing that I like about the TV series is that they have taken comprehensive issues and have simplified them into simpler versions, so that the normal audience like us, who are not related to the management or the business industry, can also understand. They have shown the true pictures and the real insights of what the case was all about. So that was the very good attempt that the makers have taken in-depth interviews of the actual people involved of the cases, their friends and family people. And it's also very amusing to see that some people still support these guys, so apart from all the crimes they have done, their family people, their friends, their colleagues, some people still thinks that and believe that they have not done anything wrong. Like Sid Mallya, of course he is supporting his dad still, like my dad didn't do anything wrong. In Sahara group, many people were supporting Subrata ji, like he is the god, and yes, he is so charismatic. And even in Nirav Modi case, there was a film director and advertisement director, he was saying Nirav sir is looking like a star. So it was very humorous, like how these people can still support these people who fooled everyone and run away, or gone into jail, who have done so much crime. So this series is a worth watch if you want to understand how to be careful of your finance, how to control your money. Go watch it, Bad Boy Billionaires India. And if you like this video, hit a subscribe, hit a like, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that I keep on updating you with the new reviews of the awesome content that's coming online. Thank you guys, lots of love.